Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for rosemary. First, select a spot that receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 hours or more each day. Good drainage is crucial, so make sure your soil isn't waterlogged. Planting in the spring, once the danger of frost has passed, gives your rosemary the best start for healthy growth. Next, let's talk about watering. Rosemary prefers its soil to dry out between waterings, so check the top 2 inches before adding more. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a common issue. A well-draining, sandy loam soil with a neutral pH between 6.0 and 7.0 will keep your plant happy. Pruning is essential for a thriving rosemary plant. Regular trimming encourages new, bushy growth and prevents the plant from becoming too woody. When harvesting, you can take up to 1/3 of the plant at once. Always remove any dead or unhealthy branches to ensure your rosemary stays vigorous and productive. Finally, let's consider pests and winter care. Keep an eye out for common garden pests such as aphids and spider mites. If you live in a colder climate, protect outdoor rosemary from frost, especially when temperatures dip below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Potted plants can be moved indoors to a sunny window for the winter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.